Welcome to our exploration of the Standard Model of particle physics. This is the most comprehensive framework we have for understanding the fundamental building blocks of our universe. Today, we'll discover how everything around us, from the smallest atoms to the largest structures in space, is made up of a handful of elementary particles following precise rules of interaction. The Standard Model is the most successful theory in physics that we have developed to date. It describes all known elementary particles and explains three of the four fundamental forces in the universe. These forces are electromagnetism, which governs light and electricity, the strong nuclear force, which holds atomic nuclei together, and the weak nuclear force, which is responsible for certain types of radioactive decay. The only force not included in the Standard Model is gravity. All particles in the Standard Model fall into two main categories. First, we have fermions, which are the matter particles that make up everything we can see and touch in the universe. Second, we have bosons, which are the force carriers that mediate interactions between matter particles. Think of fermions as the building blocks themselves, while bosons are the messengers that allow these building blocks to interact with each other. Let's start with quarks, one type of fermion. There are 6 different types, or flavors, of quarks. The up quark and down quark are the lightest and most common, combining to form protons and neutrons inside atomic nuclei. The charm quark and strange quark are heavier versions, while the top quark and bottom quark are the heaviest. Quarks never exist alone in nature. They always combine in groups of 2 or 3 to form larger particles called hadrons. For example, a proton contains 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, while a neutron contains 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. The second type of fermions are leptons, and there are also 6 of them. The most familiar is the electron, which orbits the nucleus in atoms. The muon and tau are heavier cousins of the electron, but they decay very quickly into lighter particles. Each of these 3 particles has a corresponding neutrino. We have the electron neutrino, muon neutrino, and tau neutrino. Neutrinos are extremely light particles that rarely interact with matter, making them incredibly difficult to detect. Billions of neutrinos from the sun pass through your body every second without you ever noticing. Now let's talk about the force carriers, known as gauge bosons. The photon carries the electromagnetic force and is responsible for all electromagnetic interactions, including light itself. Gluons carry the strong nuclear force and bind quarks together inside protons and neutrons. The W boson comes in 2 varieties, W+ and W-, while the Z boson is electrically neutral. Together, the W and Z bosons mediate the weak nuclear force, which is responsible for certain types of particle decay and plays a crucial role in nuclear fusion processes like those occurring in the sun. The Higgs boson is special and is sometimes called the God particle, though physicists don't particularly like that nickname. It's associated with the Higgs field, which permeates all of space. As particles interact with this field, they acquire mass. Particles that interact strongly with the Higgs field have large masses, while those that barely interact have small masses. Photons don't interact with the Higgs field at all, which is why they're massless and travel at the speed of light. The Higgs boson was predicted in the 1960s, but wasn't discovered until 2012 at CERN's Large Hadron Collider, confirming one of the final missing pieces of the Standard Model. Let's sum up what we've learned. The Standard Model describes 17 fundamental particles in total. We have 6 quarks that combine to form protons, neutrons, and other composite particles. We have 6 leptons, including electrons and neutrinos that exist independently. And we have 5 bosons, the force carriers that include the photon, 8 types of gluons, counted as one category, the W and Z bosons, and the Higgs boson. These 17 particles, following the rules of quantum mechanics and relativity, explain nearly everything we observe in the universe at the subatomic level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.